Multiple South Florida communities, including Miami and Fort Lauderdale, experienced severe flooding on Wednesday due to torrential rainfall, prompting the state's governor to declare an emergency. Flood warnings are currently in effect for Broward, Miami-Dade, Collier, and Hendry counties through Thursday morning. The National Weather Service warned of, quote, life-threatening flooding, urging residents to avoid roads as many areas are inundated with water and stalled cars, with more rain expected, CNN has reported. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis declared an emergency for Broward, Collier, Lee, Miami-Dade, and Sarasota counties, noting the heavy rain and flooding have impacted critical infrastructure, including interstates, roadways, schools, and airports.